going to teach you how to make animated progress bar in Canva. It's very easy. You just go to elements and select from there a shape, and in the top right corner you see position. Adjust the width and height of the box, and adjust the location. Uh, Alright guys, change the color of the bar from here. Copy the slide. Again go to position. The next slide. Change the width to 100. Again copy, paste the slide. Select the bar. Change the position. 150. Copy the slide. Paste it. Select the bar. Change the position to 200. Change the size to 200. Copy paste. Width size to 50. 300. 350. 400. 450. Alright, select all the slides. Make the duration to point 1 for all, and play it. This is the progress bar. Thanks you for subscribe the channel. Thank you.